Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website using XAMPP. First, download and install XAMPP, which stands for Cross-Platform, Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. Once installed, open the XAMPP control panel and start both the Apache and MySQL services. Next, download the latest WordPress package from the official WordPress.org website. After downloading, extract the entire WordPress folder into the htdocs directory located inside your XAMPP installation folder. This prepares your local server environment for the WordPress files. Now let's create a database for your WordPress site. Open your web browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin into the address bar. This will take you to the phpMyAdmin interface. On the left sidebar, click on the Databases tab. Here, you will enter a new database name such as WordPress DB and select UTF-8 General SCI for the collation. Then click Create. This database will store all your WordPress content, settings, and user information, making it a crucial step in the setup process. With your database ready, it's time to install WordPress. In your web browser, navigate to localhost/ your WordPress folder name, replacing your WordPress folder name with the actual name of the folder you extracted into htdocs. You will be prompted to select a language. On the next screen, enter your database name, use root as the username, and leave the password field empty. Click Submit and then run the installation. Finally, provide your site title, create an admin username and a strong password, and enter your email address. Congratulations! Your WordPress website is now set up locally using XAMPP. After completing the installation, you can log into your WordPress dashboard using the admin username and password you just created. From here, you have full control to customize your site, install themes, add plugins, and create content. Remember, to access your local WordPress site, you must always ensure that the Apache and MySQL services are running in your XAMPP control panel. Enjoy building your website.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.